Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Android phone is restarting automatically at night, especially when you are sleeping or charging it, then don't worry, you are not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check auto restart or scheduled restart settings. Some Android phones have a feature called auto restart, scheduled restart or optimize at night. So go to settings app, scroll all the way down and tap on system. Now tap on auto restart or schedule. If you see restart at night, turn it off. Many users forget this setting is enabled and the phone keeps restarting every night. Solution 2. Turn off battery optimization app. Some phones restart at night to optimize performance. So go to settings app. Then scroll down and tap on power marathon. Then tap on advanced settings. Here tap on smart power saving scene. Then tap on sleep standby optimization. Here turn off the toggle. This setting sounds helpful, but it actually causes random restarts. Solution 3. Remove recently installed apps. If the problem started recently, then an app could be the reason. Uninstall any app you installed in the last few days, especially cleaner apps, booster apps, launcher apps, and fake antivirus apps. These apps run in the background at night and force the phone to restart. Solution 4. Check phone temperature. Overheating is another big reason. If your phone gets hot while charging in under a pillow or blanket, uses a cheap charger, then the phone may restart automatically to protect itself. Use the original charger. Keep the phone on a hard surface. Remove the phone cover while charging. Solution 4. Check storage space. Low storage can also cause system crashes. Go to settings app. Scroll down and tap on storage. Make sure you have at least 3 to 4 GB free space. Delete the unused apps, old videos, and crashes files. A full storage phone behaves very badly. Solution 6. Update your phone software. If your phone software is outdated, bugs can cause night restarts. Go to Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap on System. Tap on System Update. Install the latest update if available. Updates often fix restart and battery bugs. And that's it for today's video. These are the best and easiest ways to fix Android phone restarting problem at night. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.